Hello, this is Darcy with Chit Chat Knits, and we have another Chit Chat Knits tutorial. I just want to show you one of the stitches that I have used in the Star Sign Cowl pattern. And what this pattern is, it's basically a knit 4, purl 2, but on one of the rounds you do a knit 1 with a double wrap, and you do 4 of those and then purl 2. So this is very, very simple stitch. Now you'll see that I'm a thrower, so I'm showing you as throwing, because that's the way I knit. So basically I'm just making a knit stitch as normal, but instead of wrapping my yarn around my working yarn one time, I'm going to wrap it twice before pulling through. Very simple. We'll do it again here. 1 wrap, 2 wraps, pull it through. 1, 2, pull it through. 1, 2, pull it through. And as I said, this is a knit 4, purl 2. So I'm going to do purl 2 stitches, and then I'll show you the double wrap again. Insert the needle, 1 wrap, 2 wraps. You can see it looks like I've created a stitch, but on the next round I'm going to resolve that. Here we go. 1, 2, wrap 1, 2, and wrap 1, 2. And now we're at the end of our needle. So on the following round, we need to resolve, because we don't want to increase, we just want to elongate those stitches. So on my next round, I start with my purl 2, and then you see I have 2 wraps around that stitch. You can see that it's 1 coming up as a knit stitch, but it just has that extra little wrap. So watch this magic. I go in, wrap it as normal, and drop it. Just makes a longer, elongated stitch. It's very, very simple, and that's how we've created this extra long stitch. As we would go around, my entire round would look like this. And when this is blocked, it makes a really pretty stitch pattern that is very, very simple. I hope you enjoy making some elongated stitch.